Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite voice chat not working on PS5. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So here in Fortnite, what we need to do first is you want to make sure that your voice options is properly set up. So to be speaking, at the top right, you should be able to see or press on your profile icon. But to be in here, at the very bottom of the right side here, you should see voice options. Now, for voicemail here, you want to make sure that you set this to open mic or push to talk. So if you have this open mic, you don't have to press anything. But if you have this set up to push to talk, you may need to also configure which button that you need to use to basically talk. Usually it's going to be the T button. But yeah. Also for voice chat here, you want to make sure that you set this to friends and teammates so that in this case your friends or your teammates can actually hear what you're saying within the mic. Now also you may want to go ahead and press the PS5 button at the center, and you want to go ahead and go to your sounds here. You want to go ahead and make sure that you set your mute game voice chat option is actually turned off. So in this case, if you have this turned on, this will actually prevent you from basically interacting or prevent you from your communicating with your teammates or your teammates hearing you. So make sure that this is actually turned off. And also, you may want to go ahead and go to your mic settings here. So you want to make sure that it's not muted. And also for the mic, you want to make sure that you've chosen the correct mic that you're actually using. So if you're using like a headset, you want to make sure that you set or use, or you're currently using your USB headset here. So otherwise, if you're using a different one and it's not available, this will prevent you from basically talking to your teammates. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.